Colorado State, here on any given year, the average number of named storms in the Atlantic Basin is 14, with 7 hurricanes, 3 of those becoming majors, meaning either a Category 3 or higher. The prediction from Colorado State this year is 17 named storms, 9 of those becoming hurricanes, 4 of those becoming majors. Now, the factors involved here, this is all based on 2 things. 1, warmer than normal tropical Atlantic waters, and 2, the ENSO cycle is either going to be neutral or it could favor La Nina, both of which would reduce shearing in the Atlantic, and that allows those storms to grow. Here was the alarming piece of information that I saw in the report. Colorado State is suggesting an above normal probability of a major hurricane striking the United States. Now, that does not mean Florida. It just means anywhere from, let's say, Texas to Florida all the way up maybe to New Jersey, okay, the eastern seaboard. So it was an above average probability. But with that being said, when I look at the water temperature anomalies, the MDR region, main development region, this is what we call those Cape Verde storms, the one that developed off the coast of Africa, and it takes days and days and days, sometimes weeks,
and we watch it for days, watch it for days, right?
So the waters here are actually below normal right now, and they're way colder than they were last year at this time, which is good. But a little closer to home, slightly above normal in the Caribbean, but cooler than last year. It's this area here, the Gulf, where we're just kind of boiling compared to the averages. And Milton was one of those storms that developed out and through here. And the problem is when it's that warm, they develop so close to the United States, that doesn't give you a lot of time to prepare. So
and just to educate, Chris, those who may be newer to going through a storm season, warm waters is a bad thing in terms of fueling hurricanes.
Correct. That's their fuel source. You got to cool those waters down, and that's really warm stuff.